How to turn off Memojis on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. From here, you can manage your overall setup and preferences for iPhone, such as software updates, device language, CarPlay, AirDrop, and more. Then, scroll down and go to Keyboard. You can manage all your keyboard settings from here. On this page, scroll down to the Emoji section at the end. Over here, turn off the stickers switch as shown. You will no longer be able to send stickers from the emoji keyboard. This way, you get more control over your experience with the app and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily turn off Memojis on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.